Now that we have the knife installed into the cutting pen, we need to install the cutting pen into the tool holder. Now the cutting pen has a little plastic flange, and this flange needs to fit underneath the plastic piece on the tool holder. So we're going to insert the cutting pen in, and we're going to place the plastic piece on top of that flange, and we're going to tighten the little knob by turning it clockwise. Now we just want to finger tighten that on. Now once we have the cutting pen installed to the tool holder, we want to look at the rest of the cutting plotter itself. I'm going to move the tool holder out of the way, and we're going to look at these grit rollers. Now there's a grit roller on each side of the plotter, and these grit rollers is what secures the paper to the cutting plotter. These grit rollers can move to different positions marked by the blue tape. There's a lever on the back side of the plotter. When you raise that lever, the grit rollers move down to grip on top of the paper. When we push the lever down, the grit rollers raise and release the paper.
Lift it. Okay, lift it and lower it again. One more time.